Hello students, good morning to all. So we'll do next class today. So next portion of algebraic expression. Okay. So last class we have studied about the algebraic expression, that we studied about the terms of algebraic expression, and we studied about constant and variables of expression and different factors and coefficient of expression. And also we have studied about the coefficient of term, how to find out the factors of terms of an expression, then factors of terms. Then we had studied about that like and unlike terms, and about monomials, polynomials, monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. So today we will study that addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So how we will add and subtract the algebraic expression, and also we'll see how to add and subtract in different ways. Okay, let's see adding and subtracting like terms. Okay, so first we'll learn about like adding and subtracting of like terms, and then we'll go to big expression or unlike terms. Okay, not unlike terms. We'll study the how to add or subtract algebraic expressions. So let's see adding and subtracting of like terms. So here 3x plus 4x. So here it is given. What you can write it as? 3x as 3 into x. Okay, plus 4 into x. So it is the like terms. So what you can write? 3 plus 4 into x. What is that? That is the distributive law. Okay, because here x is common, that's why we have taken out x whole into 3 plus 4. What you got? 3 plus 4, 7x. Okay, 7 into x, what you can write as 7x. Or you can simply what you can do? 3x plus 4x, what you can do? You add the number. These are like terms because they have same variables. So you add the numbers. Okay, the constant. 3 plus 4, the numerical factor. How much? 7x. Like that you can simply do. Look at here 8xy plus 4xy plus 2xy. So it is very difficult to do like this distributive law. So what you can do? You add the, you first see these are like terms or not. These are like terms because they have same variables. That's why you add the numbers. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14xy. Or what you can do? You can take out the xy. Okay, 8 plus 4 plus 2 into xy. Okay, by distributive law, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. 14xy. Like that you can do 7n minus 4n. What you can do? The same thing you can do. You subtract the number with number. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3n. Okay, or what you can do? Using distributive law, 7 minus 4 whole to the into n. So what you got? 7 minus 4 equal to 3 into n. What you got? 3n. Okay, like that you can do 11ab minus 5ab. Thus the sum of two or more like terms is a like term. Okay, so like term, when you add the like term, you get like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the sum of numerical coefficient. So you will add all the numerical coefficient present in the terms, like terms, so you get the sum. Next, similarly, the difference between two like terms is the like term. Okay, with a numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient. So you will find out the difference between numerical coefficient of the two like terms. so that you can get the difference. Okay, so unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted the way like terms are added or subtracted. You cannot add unlike terms, means 7m plus 8n. You cannot add because they do not have same variables, so that you cannot add the unlike terms. Or 7m minus 6n, this one also you cannot add. You can simply write it 7m minus 6n, 7m plus 8n. It will be an expression, but you cannot add or you cannot subtract the unlike terms. Next you see, when 5 is added to x, what we can write? 5 plus x or x plus 5. When we add the unlike terms 3xy and 7, the sum is 3xy plus 7, because these are what? We cannot go further because these are unlike terms. Then if we subtract 7 from 3xy, the result is 3xy minus 7. We cannot go further. This much is the result. Okay. Next we will see adding and subtracting the general algebraic expression. Okay. So here add 3x plus 11 and 7x plus 5. So what you will write? We will write 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. What you got? What you will do? First you take out first you place like terms nearby. Okay. So here like terms are 3x, 7x. So put 7x near to 3x. Okay, we have placed two like terms. Then you put another like terms together, plus 11 minus 5. Okay, next add the like terms 3x plus 7x. How much? 10x. Then add the like terms 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. So plus 6. So what you got? 10x plus 6. So this is about adding the like terms. Okay, adding the like terms. Adding or subtracting the algebraic expressions. Like this, you can do this one also. 3x plus 11 plus 8z. Okay, this is 8z and 7x minus 5. Okay. Next, subtract a minus b from 3a minus b plus 4. So, what you will write? 3a minus b plus 4 minus a minus b. What will do? We'll open it. 3a minus b plus 4. Here minus into plus. Here outer side minus is there and inner side what is there? Plus a. So minus into plus equal to how much? Minus a. Next, minus into minus. Here minus b is there. Minus into minus is what? Plus b. Like that you will do. Next, you will rearrange the like terms. So 3a is there. Write 3a minus a. Next, b like terms minus b plus b. Next, plus 4. So what you will get? 3a minus a means 3 minus 1. A means what? 1a. So 3 minus 1 is how much? 2a. Okay. Next is how much? Next is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to how much? 0. So plus 0b. Okay, plus 0b, because minus b plus b. Here also minus 1 is there, here plus 1. Next it is what? 4. So what you can write? 2a plus, here what? 0 into b equal to how much? 0 plus 4. You can write as 2a plus 4. Like that you can do subtraction also. Okay, by rearranging or placing the like terms at one place and doing the operation. Okay. Next we will see example 4. Okay. So here example 4, collect like terms and simplify the expression. So what we have done? Okay. 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. So look at here. We will collect the like terms. So 12m square minus 4m square. Next 9m minus 9m minus 7m. We will write minus 9m minus 7m. Next minus 9m plus 5m is also there. Okay, I have forgotten. Minus 9m plus 5m minus 7m. Next another one, only one single number is there, 10. So how we can write? So here coefficient is, numerical coefficient is 12 and minus 4. So you can write as 12 minus 4m square by using distributive law. Then plus here minus 9 plus 5 minus 7. So minus 9 plus 5 minus 7 m using distributive law plus 10. So look at here, 12 minus 4 is 8 m square plus minus 9 minus 7 plus 5. We can do minus 9. We can do this one here. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 7. What we have done in last 6th class? Minus 9 minus 7 plus 5. So minus 9 minus 7 equal to how much? We will add this minus. It is how much? Minus 16 plus 5 equal to how much will got? Minus 11. So how much you got? Minus 10. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 7 equal to minus 11. Minus 11 m plus 10. So what you got? 8m square plus into minus equal to how much? Minus 11m plus 10. Okay. So this is the algebraic expression which we have simplified. Next we will move to example 5. So subtract this one, 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from 30ab plus 12b plus 14a. Like that, what we have done? Like that we will do. Okay. So 30ab plus 12b plus 14a minus 24ab minus 10b minus 18a. So look at here. The same thing you will write, 30ab plus 12b plus 14a minus into minus how much? Minus 24ab minus into plus. If you are removing the, so we have to put the bracket, then we will remove the bracket. Minus into minus, here outside plus is there, na? That's why plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus, whatever is there it will remove if plus is there. But for minus we have to change the sign, because minus into minus, sorry, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus 10b, minus into minus, plus 18a. Now rearrange the like terms. 30ab, you will write 30ab, will find out the ab expression, sorry, ab terms, minus 24ab like terms, then plus 12b. Okay, any 12b is there here, plus 10b. Next plus 14a, next another term is there, plus 18a. Okay, next 30 minus 24 is how much? Here 6ab, then 12 plus 10 is how much? Plus 22b, then 14 plus 18 is how much? 32a. Okay, like that we can find out the subtract. Okay, but there is another way, like you used to how we used to add? Look at here. We used to add 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, like that. But you can add by like this. 1 plus 2 equal to 3 like this. You can do like this. We will do. Let's see. So what we'll do? We'll write that 30AB plus 12B plus 14A. Okay. Next is what? Below that 24AB plus, sorry, that is not plus, minus 10B minus 18A. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll do minus. After writing minus, this minus will change, minus into minus plus. This here if we'll do minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus. So now do, what we'll do? We'll write here 30 plus 24, sorry, 30 minus 24, here minus is there, that's why 30 minus 24 is 6. AB, here plus is there, we'll do 12 plus 10, plus we'll write 22B, plus we'll write 14 plus 18, how much? 32A. Like that you can do the addition and subtraction of expression. So this is the what? This is about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. I hope you have understood and you will do all the examples also. Okay. Thank you.